Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the present simple, one of the most important grammar foundations in English. And before we start, we are getting very close to 500 subscribers, so if this lesson helps you, support the channel and help us reach that goal together. Alright, let us begin. Why this lesson matters. Before we start the main lesson, let me explain why the present simple is so important. Many learners think this tense is easy, but they still make mistakes every day. They forget the S, they use the wrong verb form, they mix it with present continuous, and they use it in situations where it does not fit. So today, we are going to fix all of that. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about habits, routines, opinions, schedules, facts, and more using the present simple naturally. 1. When we use the present simple, use it for 1. Habits. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee every morning. 2. Routines. I study English after dinner. She works on weekends. 3. Facts. Water boils at 100 degrees. The sun rises in the east. 4. Opinions. I like quiet places. He prefers cold weather. 5. Schedules. The train leaves at 9. Class starts at 10. Say each sentence with me to practice your rhythm and fluency. Two. How to form IT, a positive form. I play. You play. We play. They play. He plays. She plays. It plays. Important. He, she. It adds S. Repeat after me. He plays. She cooks. It works. Bespelling rules for S and S. 1. If the verb ends in O, S, SH, CH, X add S. Go goes. Wash washes, fix fixes. 2. If the verb ends in consonant plus, Y change Y to I, and add S. Study studies, carry carries. 3. If the verb ends in vowel plus Y just add S. Play plays. Practice, say these, he studies. She goes. It plays. Three. Negative form. I do not play. You do not play. We do not play. They do not play. He does not play. She does not play. It does not play. Key rule. Do not plus base verb. Does not plus base verb. Never put s after the verb in negatives. Not. He does not plays. Correct. He does not play. Practice. Say these sentences. She does not like coffee. They do not watch TV. I do not drive to work. Four questions. Do you play tennis? Do they work here? Do we have class today? Does he study? Does she live here? Does it work properly? Remember, the verb stays in base form. Repeat after me. Does she like music? Do you read every day? 5. Frequency adverbs. Always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Rarely. Word order. Subject plus adverb plus verb. I always wake up early. She usually takes the bus. They never eat breakfast. Practice with me. Say these. I sometimes study at night. He rarely goes out. We always check our email. Great work today. If you followed the practice, you now understand the present simple much more deeply and can use it with confidence. If this lesson helped you, support the channel and help us reach 500 subscribers. I will see you in the next lesson.